Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can deactivate your Facebook account in your mobile. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. Before I show you the steps, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, after opening Facebook, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in the menu of Facebook, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the setting page of Facebook. Now once you're over here, you can see this option in blue color called See More in Account Center. Click on it. Now once you're in Account Center of Facebook Meta, click on Personal Details. Now once you're in this page, click on Account Ownership and Control. Now, once you click on Account Ownership and Control, it's going to bring you over here. Now the second option, Deactivate or Deletion, click on it. And it's going to take you to the deactivation page. Now I want to deactivate my Facebook, so I will choose my Facebook. Now if you want to deactivate your Instagram, you have to choose that. Now once you're over here, the first option where it says deactivate account, choose that. Do not choose the second option. The second option is deleting your account. We don't want to do that. Click on continue after you select deactivate. And once you deactivate your Facebook, your page will also be deactivated since they are linked with your account. So you have to click on continue. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the next step. So let's wait for some time until the page loads up. And over here, you have to enter the password of your account and click on continue. Once you do that, your Facebook account will be deactivated. So that's how you guys can deactivate your Facebook account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys in my future Facebook related video. Bye bye until next time.